friends, so I am back with this super easy tutorial for updating your little one's room. My little one is 10 years old. She is growing up on me and she has been requesting that I update her room. So I thought, you know what, let me just try to do some frugal little updates and see if this works. And you know what, I couldn't have been happier. It's super cute. It goes with what she likes. And here we go. So you're going to need 2 8x10 frames in white. You're going to need 2 4x6 frames in that glitter. You're going to need the 3-slot tray there. And you're going to need 6 of the little drawers that the Dollar Tree has in store. And then these I picked up from Hobby Lobby. They are in the felt aisle. They're a thick glitter sheet and it's going to serve its purpose for what I want it for. So they're so beautiful, the colors that they have. These are the colors I want to work with, and I'm going to see if I can make it work. The air running. I'm in my car as we speak. I'm at my daughter's ballet practice and I said, you know what, I need to finish this video. Everybody's been waiting on it. So let me just show you what I did here. So that Tulle is from the Garcia studio. It's from the collection Moonchild, and then I also use the gems. Those are also from Hobby Lobby. And then those flat back pearl sheets you see there are from the Dollar Tree, guys. So this is what that little tray looks like with the gold felt sheet. All I did was size each slot, put the little pieces in, and that's how that turned out. And then I took 5 pearls. I took 4 for the bottom, glued 1 on each corner, and then I glued that gem on top and glued the pearl right on top, and it just dresses it up. It makes it look cuter, and I don't know, I just loved it. So this is what I did. I glue gunned again on that little handle, the gem, and then right on top of that I glued the flat back pearl. Alright friends, so the secret to dollar items is the presentation and how you dress it up. You can definitely make a dollar item look like it's worth so much more, and that's my niche on this channel. That's what I love to do. I love to create something out of nothing and to dress it up and make it look like it's worth more. What I did here was these flowers are from the 99-cent store. I pulled them off their stems, took that drawer out, stuck those flowers in, added some pearls and some gems. And there you go. It dresses up. It serves purpose in her room. It goes with the theme that we're trying to do. And these aren't big drawers, obviously. These are drawers for her vanity where she can put her bobby pins, her hair ties, her hair bows, the jewelry she likes to wear. And again, I'm so happy at the way that these turned out. At the bottom, I did add the pearls just like the tray. Just so, again, you're dressing it up. The presentation is what it's all about. And I did want to show you that you can change that paper. And you can give it the look that you're going for. You don't have to necessarily stick with what I did. You can make these, again, all your own. All the crafts I do, you can make all your own. You just got to be creative and be inspired, and then you can go from there. So if you have a different theme in your room, by all means, create and tag me. I want to see what you guys come up with. I should mention I was having a little struggle right there because I was using one hand to push that drawer in. So don't judge the little drawers. They're perfectly fine. I did also want to tell you that I did end up gluing all 3 to each other so that it was a nice stack. And you know, and for a permanent glue, I would suggest either a crazy glue or a Helmar glue. It would work perfect for this kind of project. Moving on to her frames, I absolutely loved the way that those turned out. I did want to show you really quick, I created a dry erase board for her. She loves to jot everything down. I added a clothespin to the glass, put some scrapbook paper behind the glass, and it serves as a dry erase board. Back to those frames, all I did was add the tulle right over the glass, and I cut it into strips, added some glitter onto the sticker, and this is how they turned out. I absolutely loved them. I used to take fashion design, and this took me back to creating sketches. And the sequence was just, I laid it over. There's no special skill. I just kind of laid the glue over and laid the sequence right on top. And right here I'm just showing you, we carry this sequence in the store. It's more of a pink color, but I just wanted to show you what it can look like if you dress it up, if you choose to dress it up more with some glitter and some more sequins. Okay friends, so that's it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Again, thank you to all my new subscribers. I cannot believe how those numbers are climbing. They mean a lot to us. I will do a little room reveal and show you what these ended up looking like on her vanity and what else we did to dress up her room, staying within budget. Okay, have a great week guys. Thanks. Bye.
If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my mom's channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!